On this day, April 7, 1969, the Internet was created, which was a monumental event that transformed the world and revolutionized the way we communicate, work, and access information. This event marked the beginning of the ARPANET project, which was funded by the Advanced Research Projects Agency, a division of the U.S. Department of Defense. The ARPANET was a pioneering effort to connect computers across the United States, laying the groundwork for the modern-day Internet. The project was led by computer scientist Frank Hart and his team at BBN Technologies, a company located in Cambridge, Massachusetts. They designed and built the hardware and software necessary for the network to function, including the first packet switch, known as the Interface Message Processor, also known as IMP. In the 1960s, computer technology was still in its infancy, and the ARPANET team had to work with limited computing power and storage capacity, not to mention the lack of standard protocols and formats for transmitting data. This made it difficult to develop software that could reliably and efficiently communicate between different computers. The team had to coordinate the efforts of multiple organizations, including government agencies, academic institutions, and private companies, which required navigating complex bureaucratic structures and resolving competing interests and priorities. The first IMP was installed at the University of California, Los Angeles in September 1969, and by December of that year, 4 IMPs were connected to the ARPANET. The network expanded rapidly, with more universities and research institutions joining, including Stanford Research Institute, University of Utah, and University of California, Santa Barbara. In 1971, Ray Tomlinson, an engineer at BBN Technologies, developed the first email program, allowing users to send messages across different computers on the ARPANET. This marked the birth of email, which has become one of the most widely used applications on the Internet. In 1973, the ARPANET expanded internationally with the connection of the University College of London in the United Kingdom, becoming the first international link on the network. This marked the beginning of the Internet's global expansion, which would connect countries and continents across the world. In 1983, the ARPANET officially transitioned to using TCP/IP as its standard protocol, marking the birth of the modern Internet. This allowed for greater interoperability and connectivity between different networks, paving the way for the Internet to become a global phenomenon. In the late 1980s and early 1990s, the World Wide Web was developed by British computer scientist Tim Berners-Lee, which allowed for the easy sharing and retrieval of information through hyperlinks. The www, often referred to as the web, became a popular way to access and share information on the Internet, leading to the widespread adoption of the Internet by businesses, governments, and individuals. In 1993, the first widely used web browser, Mosaic, was released, which introduced graphical interface and multimedia capabilities to web browsing. This made the web more visually appealing and interactive, leading to increased user engagement and the development of new web-based applications. In the late 1990s, Internet companies became a buzzword within the investment community, and the dot-com boom occurred. The dot-com boom was fueled by speculative investment, with investors pouring large amounts of money into Internet-based companies, often without a solid business model or profitability track record. The creation of the World Wide Web on April 7, 1969, had profound long-term effects on society. It revolutionized the way people communicate, work, and access information, leading to the widespread adoption of the Internet worldwide. The web has transformed industries such as business, education, and entertainment, creating new opportunities and challenges. It has also fostered global connectivity, facilitating communication and collaboration across borders, and shaping the way we live and interact in the digital age.